intense energies in the twin flame connection right now. Let's see what's happening in the dynamic of twin flames. Let's not waste any time. And okay, so it's King of Swords. King of Swords. It feels like your masculine has got complete clarity. And if masculines are listening to this video, then know that what you are heading towards is just perfect, because you're getting complete clarity. Your head is not fogged anymore. Your understanding of things are getting better and better in this moment. Eight of Pentacles, it seems like now hard work is not ended. It still needs to be done. And when I say hard work, it does not mean that your whatever work you've done in the past is all a waste. It's about going into the details. So if it is like you worked upon a block in the year of 2024, 2025, now is the period you work into the details of it. So if you work through a fear, it's just the remnants that are left. Like we can say like the elephant is out and only the tail is left. That kind of a thing is coming to my mind right now. So yeah, working upon those bits and pieces that are left over is what I'm trying to say here. And also Five of Cups, it's time to acknowledge that you don't need to keep crying over what you don't have. There is so much that deep down is happening, which is happening towards your union, for your union. So it's better to pour your energy into that rather than regretting, remorsing over what didn't work in the past. It's of no use right now, because this is the time you have to actually keep your energy really high vibration. Now I have some cards that just dropped out, so I'm going to pick those. World, yes, like I said, this is the time to step into something new. It could be a new house, it could be a new dynamic of how you lead your life, it could be a new career, and it could also mean that the new way of looking at your connection. This could be a period where you cannot look at it with that victim mentality anymore. And Ace of Cups, yes, this is the card that really confirms this reading. You are going to receive all that abundance, all that love, and it is already there. Just feel into it, tap into that energy, and yeah, and that's about it. This is the best period. You're reaping rewards of the past year, and just go into the detailing. And even if the same blocks come up, don't worry, because those blocks are coming up for you to heal those remnant pieces, and that's about it.